checkpoint 13.15, which of the following is the correct interface? Okay, there will be series of questions like A, B, C, D, all the way to, I think, E. Let's look at the question here. Interface. If you remember the condition for interface, you can have only constants and abstract methods. That's the condition for interface. So if you look at here, normally you can have a public abstract void print. Okay, because it's an abstract method, you don't have to say public abstract. Then for abstract method, there will be a no implementation. Okay, that shouldn't be there. Okay, that's it. Okay, normally, public abstract, okay, void and print, because it's going to be always public abstract. You can omit it. Okay, that's the answer. That's it. Thank you.